Hello and Happy New Year's. Um, about an hour and 18 minutes ago, it was Happy New Year's. And I recorded a video like 15 times, but something always goes wrong. And guys, I'm waiting for the call of the Alphas party because I've never seen a party of that before. And there's been like a lot of New Year's parties. Like there's a lot of opportunities to go there. A lot of pet parties too. Play as your pet party. I really want to go there. But yeah, 4,000 gems and 2 gems is Wild Stray Dog, is part coyote, and is kind of mean to others needs cage. Oh yeah, guys. So I'm at a adoption center. That's what someone was saying, hosting, and I thought, okay, why not? I'll be at this thing. It's just kind of funny. Like, oh yeah, that's a way to get adopted. That's cool. Oh, I'm a cat lover. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking that is so freaking cute. They should be like big cat or something. I love this person. Never give up, because she really does not give up. She was trading for one of my flower crowns and she didn't give up. Like she kept on and kept on. I think it's been like 20 minutes. She still kept on. But yeah. See, that's the flower crown I traded for her. I mean, she has this porch swing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so legit. Oh, she made it. It's kind of fat though. You see how it's going like, there's like all. And I think it needs a hind leg. But no, I'm not an expert. I really want this porch swing though. Oh my gosh, I so want this. Oh my gosh. I'm just sitting here to watch y'all. You look like a gnome. What? You look like a no money child? Moo. What? Member mom for dad. Member mom or dad needed for twins. Okay. Adopt me, please. Please adopt me. Okay. It's like. So yeah, guys. When is the party? So 9 minutes till the party. But okay, there's Beta Phantom Arcade. So 9 minutes until the alpha party. I'm pretty excited. Pretty excited. I want any of this. Oh, I kind of want that. You have two. What is this? 2 slots. I remember I bought something from another shop, and I think I bought like a, what do you call it? Like a, I don't know. I bought something, and then it said you have 3 slots remaining. Now it says 2 slots. What is that? Oh! Have I already reached my limit of stuff? Okay, I guess while I'm waiting, I have to clear out some stuff. So, I gotta wait 7 more minutes till the call of the Alphas party. Boom, 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 boom. 7 more minutes, puppy.
Okay. Did you go to sleep?
Oh.
Okay, how are we gonna do it? Are you gonna hold it? I can do it fast.
What are you guys gonna do?
Easy. Easy. Hold it. Hold
Whoa,
it.
whoa, whoa. What's going on with the TV?
71. Okay, good. 74? Okay, that's it. I set it to 74.
Guys, that's so low, right? No, I don't.
Put her to bed, please, Mama.
It's because, like, if she knows I'm awake out here, then she'll be like, oh, I don't want to go to sleep, you know?
I know.
So she's just been chilling out here. So, I guess I'm going to be clearing out some stuff since I have, like, no room in my den. I know for a member, you have, like, at least 1,000 slots. And for a non-member, you have 200. And also for the clothing, I just realized you only get 100 slots. And for a member, you get 1,000 slots of clothing. So that sucks. But I'm going to have to recycle some stuff now.
We lost the coupons to Einstein, baby. No, not the coupons.
So I'm going to recycle that.
The 31st was the last to use it.
This.
We lost like
This.
$7.
Oh, really?
And I
Stupid,
don't
man.
want this.
I just remembered right now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they sent me a message
Okay, guys.
reminding me.
So I have a tablet that I'm going to recycle. And
Peace, girl.
Okay, so I'm gonna recycle the brown tile and my curved
She don't feel good,
jacket.
man.
I really don't want that.
She's
though.
not breathing good. I mean, she's suffering. I told you that.
I want a tablet computer. There's so much stuff I don't want to get rid of.
I don't have nothing.
I don't want that. I don't want that. So much stuff. I really like my Tiger Paw chairs. I don't want those wigs though. Da, 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 Okay, I have not really had use for that. I really need to get all these. I don't want any of these. I hardly use them. Actually, I do want my rainbow one. I don't like that one. Me? I hate those things. Yeah. I kind of like those. Mama, I need to be a member. I need to be a member so I can have more slots for this stuff. If I make more money at school, can I get a membership?
Sell stuff. I told you to be more proactive in selling stuff on Courier.
Okay.
Or eBay, you should be posting your PYs on eBay.
Okay. So, guys, if you want some Beanie Babies. Okay, guys. I don't want that. It's not actually a beta, but I really like these gumdrops. Oh my gosh. I think that's promo. I don't need that. I don't really want that either with that. I don't know if this is worth anything, so I'm just gonna keep it. I don't really want that or that. Or that or that or that. I don't want that. I just won't use it. Want that. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to get rid of stuff because you don't know if it's gonna be here next year. I really want this stuff. I don't really want that. But I really do want my 2018 stuff. Okay. Oh, great. Oh my gosh, wait, is the alpha party on? Let's see. Okay, guys. Is the alpha party on? Okay, the call of alpha parties, the call of the alphas is in 2 minutes. It better not be one of those books I have because I've been waiting for an hour and 57 minutes. That monkey looks so adorable in a way. So I'm gonna have spilled popcorn. Oh, it's so tiny. Wait, this will be cute. It's cute. It looks like a pet. You know how like pet stuff? It looks like one of those. 2018. I'm just gonna hang up all my 2018 stuff. Not all of it, but you know, some of it. Because I don't have anywhere to fit these. And guys talking about me?
The cat stickers you put on the picture you gave me, they were not the ones you gave Bobby, right?
No, why?
Because Bobby thought it was his sticker.
I was ready to fight somebody.
Okay.
I said, my baby gave me the sticker, ain't nobody gonna do the fight.
Huh, lol. Okay, that looks nice, right? That looks nice. Ma! And you know what? I think I have.
Let's see, we got your go-to picture here.
No!
I got your go-to picture.
No! Mama, can you come here for a minute? Okay, guys, so it's. Oh my gosh, it's 0, which means it's gonna come on in a second. Mama!
Jojo,
Yeah?
I got your go-to art.
Please? No!
Look,
No, I worked hard on that!
huh?
I actually worked really hard on that.
But that's your go-to art.
No, it's not! Mom! Come over here!
Why?
I want to show you my den!
I like how you do this funny sparkle, like holiday snowflakes.
Yeah, I worked hard on that. Poppy's making fun of me.
I'm teasing you. Come on, don't you know how fun?
It's not funny. And then when I tease you, you get all mad.
Huh?
Then when I tease you, you get all mad.
You see?
You be like, okay, where's the belt? That's how you be like.
Does the Cougar Queen have a backpack on with a boat in it?
What?
Does the Cougar Queen have a backpack on with a boat in it?
That's the go-to piece, Mom.
Mom, can you just please come over here? My alpha party is gonna start. But I want to show you my cool den. No, I improved it. I just bought a lot of stuff. Okay, whatever. Now, the alpha party is on, so I'm gonna go there. And I hope, please. Oh, no! No! I already have the book to go to this place. I thought it would be something like really cool. Well, that sucks. Are they selling anything? Okay, Mom. Can you please just come see my den? Poppy, can you come over here and see my den? Can you come over here and see my den?
No.
Why?
You go to bed.
No.
Right after you see my den.
Go to bed. Turn off the
You
computer.
don't need no old people telling you about your go-to pieces.
See? That's how you do.
You don't need an old man telling you, oh, you got go-to art.
But that's you.
You don't need me to be in that thing. Watch.
But it looks really good.
What?
No, like I improved my den and it's not gonna mean anything tomorrow. Gotta look at it now.
Take a snap picture.
I don't have a phone.
I'll get a phone.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys later.